Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rupali Hazari Gangude. While we focus on physical well-being, I've noticed that many patients silently struggle with mental and emotional stress, जैसे कि anxiety, confusion, emotional blocks, even without noticing it. So at Pearl Cardiac Care and Diagnostic Center, we focus on overall well-being. That's why we have Kalpana Shah, founder of Voyage Touching Lives.
क्या हुआ? परेशान हो यार, बहुत मेंटल बर्डन, इमोशनल ब्लॉकेजेस के साथ. अरे वरी नॉट यार, आई एम हियर टू ईज योर बर्डन, टू मेक यू फ्री फ्रॉम स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटीज, डिप्रेशन. बिकॉज विद माई एवरी सेशन you will be having a very positive mindset which will help you to face life challenges और आपके सारे एंजाइटी स्ट्रेस लेवल एकदम जीरो कर देगा. To know more about it, this is Kalpana Shah. Brand name is Voyage Touching Life. Please connect with me.